All right, bro. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you can hear me.
can hear me as well?
Awesome. It worked.
Awesome. It worked.
Okay, great. I'm on my big screen.
Perfect.
On my
Perfect.
on my on my TV, not on my computer.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
All right. Let's.
All right.
I can hear me.
I can
Weird.
hear.
Yeah, gold. Let's start with gold, Mr. Gold.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's.
All right. Let's.
Kavshish,
Kavshish,
can you please
can
connect
you please connect
me a little bit?
a little bit?
I'll mute.
It's too loud.
I'll mute.
Loud.
I'll mute my mic.
Okay, because
I'm
long.
I ground myself out.
Are you there? Kashif?
You can carry on with this one.
Use your headphones.
Okay, give me a second. I will switch on my headphone. Give me 1 sec. Okay.
Thank you.
1 second.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes, way better. Perfect. Thank you.
Then fine. Sorry. Actually, it's from the device, my LEDs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Let's take a closer look on gold. I think it's a good pattern what actually is happening here right now. We have good weekly structure also with nice, wait a moment, let's mark me the days up.
Mm.
Tuesday, Sunday, Monday.
Mm. You are going to duplicate that.
Please?
I am saying you are going to duplicate that.
Yeah.
The whole trend.
Yes.
Did you see my analysis
on gold?
Gold, yeah.
Actually, yes. Today I saw it, and if you took a closer look on the Euro USD in September of 2008, you see a clear sell confirmation with bank manipulation, aka trap. We can take a closer look later on this pair. But for now, I would say, okay, let's take a look on gold. So what do we see here? See a clear induction to the upside over the week. I think if we go on the lower time frame, this would be create a W formation.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
we have a common setup in the market, consolidation,
Mm.
breakout, and if this W formation forms after a peak or at the low of the day, for sure, it's a good sign that the trend is going to reverse, especially on a Friday, because Fridays are most of the time trap days. In my
Sell.
opinion,
Yeah.
trap days, either buy or sell. I mean, look at this Friday. This was a Friday. Let's say Wednesday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday.
Yeah.
Friday. Okay, all right. I think they don't have to go again beyond this high above here, because so many traps, so many orders are accumulated here and trapped right above by this candle, where everyone was thought, okay, let's buy this shit, and I don't trust this at all, and my
It's
peers is totally bearish.
according to you. I have the indicator. The
Yes.
fucking indicator says on the daily time frame that it's a sell.
Nice.
So
Yo.
yeah, I feel so. So I will close as soon as the market open. I will close my entry.
Your buy orders.
Yeah, my buy. I have a very small buy order. I'll close it.
Yeah, it will be better, bro. It will be better. Where's your stop loss?
My stop loss is at 1666.
1666. Okay, all right. Yeah, it would be better to close it. So you're a little about up the high. Well, no problem. No problem. As long as you can close this position and you don't end up in a loss.
Yeah, according to the you see the cross of the EMAs. Have you seen now?
Yes.
You have the 96 and 48.
Wait a moment. Let me close this one. I think the crossover will happen on Sunday, Monday, maybe 3 o'clock in the morning or something like this. And we see a little accumulation of orders as a fake resistance, and then completely reverse the trend. Maybe a good zone would be here, 1,630, or even the low of the last of this week, which would be here. But it could also, yes, but it also could go away more deeper. But I don't think so at all, because let's say they go until, wait a moment. Let's say they're going either here or here. So I will look at these zones for a reversal, but I think at least this zone is pretty much obviously to happen.
So I should put a buy limit.
Yes, or you can sell for a few pips.
Sell would be a great if you put one lot and sell. No, I was very eager, but I said I am not the bear. I kicked the bear out of my room, you know.
Yeah. Good job. All right. Yeah.
Okay, that is fine. So yeah, you can share this idea in the group maybe.
Oh yes, that's good.
That would be good, you know.
Wait a moment.
Let them have the taste. You know, the other day, one person happened to meet me and he sold at 1601. Okay.
Yes.
100 lots. And I told them when it went to 1632 that please, if you want to close, half close and rest you can keep open, or at least reverse hedge. But they did not do it, and they lost $500,000.
Oh my dear.
So this is actually, these are the crappy real gold traders, like the solid gold traders, who are hedging in the spot market.
Yes.
Man, if they don't know how to hedge, they should not do it. But they were persistent, you know, they know everything about it.
Yeah. Oh shit! Wait a moment. I think
What is your ranking? Oh
on.
my god. On this one, I just started,
Yeah.
trading view. So I have to start the backtesting thing.
Yeah.
I have to learn how to backtest here on trading view.
I don't need this. Sorry, these fucking EMAs. All right, I got lost these zones, so I will mark up them again. So pretty obviously here and right about I think this one.
Oh my god! If it went to 1590, then because what I found out, the institution always want the key deeper level. Always,
Yes.
they are all
Yeah.
they always accumulate the retail traders and throw them off the train, and then go in the same direction.
So like something like this.
Yeah, you can share.
So, oops.
Okay.
So this is most likely to happen, and on the other side, sometimes you see it.
Man,
So you have a little bit of
you are
consolidation, then you have a fake breakout and induction to the other, to the downside. That is mostly likely to happen with the breakout of this range at London session opening. Right about here, you can enter, or you wait for the New York session and you get a sniper entry with
down.
maybe no, to the upside then.
Okay, to the upside.
Yes, this one, London session breakout to the downside, and you wait to create the low of the day, probably at New York session
New York
opening.
session.
Yes,
Okay.
and then you could get a sniper entry with perfect market structure with a maximum stop loss of 10 to 20 pips and a total of 50, 60, 80 or 100 pips.
Okay,
It depends
good.
on the pair you are trading actually. All right.
Good. Yeah.
Come on. What the fuck?
Oh, might happen with me as well today.
Oh shit.
How to do it? I need to learn from where I would learn trading view, how to use it. It's a fucking tool, It's a good
Yeah,
one.
it's one of the best tools you can have actually.
I have to buy a premium version,
Yeah, I'm also a pro. Because you can use even more than 3 indicators, which is pretty nice. You don't have always these ads here from brokers and shit like this. Okay, let me share this in the group.
Yeah, share it in the group, maybe. So what I'm going to do is on the currencies, I'm going to go long, big for the short spin,
Yes.
Like if it is 47 pips, one lot take 500 or whatever, 250.
Yes.
I need to recover my gold loss. No, I did lose 300,
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it was not today, but it was on the and everyone was my another mentor, he told me that NFP will have a little effect on gold.
Yeah.
Little to no effect. That's what happened.
Well, bro, don't stress yourself. I mean, okay, 300 bucks, but at the end, you can get all this money back right now at the beginning of the new week. So,
Yeah.
chill.
See, after this, my aim is to do it like I have an account 250K, so I have to manage that. This is just a trial period, for me to warm up and perform well before the big trial happens.
Yeah, that's a good idea, bro. And I'm pretty sure it will work like this out. Come on, WhatsApp. What's up?
Internet is also connected to stock market. It's also resisting. See what I have information. Okay,
Yes.
that Italy is in crisis. Okay.
Okay.
So Italy is in crisis means they might sell off their gold a bit. You know,
Yeah.
if they sell their gold, then it's a killer.
Yes.
Then there will be a fallout on the stock market and everyone, because Trump does not want to lose the stock market before he leaves the chair. You know,
Mm-hmm.
he will keep asking the Feds and Wall Street guys to pump up artificially. Like you just saw over the weekend, just on the Friday night, suddenly Nasdaq went up and came down. Like they trapped the guys and took the volume back, both on buy and sell.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would agree.
That's the. I think we talked about this a lot of times. This Hegelian dialectic stuff, which is only be here to manipulate the masses. And I mean, if you look at the market, they are a mirror of our psychology. Yes. So the market structure and all the financial markets worldwide are based on human psychology. Even there are common patterns, like I showed you before, which are starting feelings in humans. This means if you have fear or something like this, yes, market makers always work so. They make you hope,
Yeah, and then
honeymoon
drop.
phase, and then fucking drop that
Yeah,
shit out. Maybe,
then give up,
yes, something like this, but
and
you
then
make an
again.
M, bam, boom. So that's literally the game. So there are other versions, but if you look at these, if you ever was in an ambulance, so they have these monitors to show your screen,
Yeah,
to show your
yeah,
heartbeat. Yes, so
yeah.
these patterns are likely come on the same. So well, and the new moon is also coming at the 13th, tomorrow, I think. So humans are interacting with the moon cycle. Yes. So
Yeah,
some can't sleep, some have night dreams, some are very focused and ambitious. So yeah, it's all about psychology and feelings and how you react to
yeah.
this. All right, let's move on.
To Euro USD,
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
the most important one that is overexpanded as well. Extended, sorry.
Right. Yeah, I saw it. Wow.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
It will come down very fast, huh? It's a good opportunity if you ask.
Yes,
It's
my
on.
eyes too. Oh, look here. This looks like gold a little bit.
Really? Yeah. Go expand it, please. I want to see. It's the W of the gold, right? Oh my God, you. Oh my.
Master Marcel.
Oh, exactly.
Look
Exactly
at
as gold, right?
this. Yes.
Exactly.
Crazy.
Exactly. Pattern of the gold. A W in the middle, and then goes up, and then goes down.
Yes.
So it's a sell call. So many Ws.
Definitely. And look at this, even as signature trades here happening. Creating that wedge. Breakout London session.
So I will just close off my buys.
Yes, it
Oh,
will be a
thank God.
good idea.
It will be a very good idea, not just good idea.
Oh wow.
This is the US session, right?
Yes, this is the New York opening, and you see that would easily be position If you get this right about here,
Oh.
100 pips for a stop loss of maybe 10 pips. That's 1 to 10. That's 1 to 10, bro.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, and these are setups I really like to trade because you can make a bunch
No,
of money. And if
I'll
you
put-
don't get this one,
Hmm.
then you just take it right about here for a sale. So what's up?
And reverse, you know.
Yes, instant zero drawdown. That's manipulation on its finest.
Yeah. So how about now? Where is its current level?
Wait a moment, I have to make a screenshot of this. Okay.
You always take notes of these levels.
Yes.
So the market is moving always in patterns, you know. Same
Fractal patterns, yes. Different
And they are always
variation
repeating.
itself, yes. I would say. Let's take a look at the 15 minutes.
If you
And-
put one lot on Euro USD sell, oh my God, you are going to
Yes,
be at least $500 in 1 week.
definitely.
What is your leverage, by the way,
On TradingView, what?
on your account?
I'm about 120k.
Yeah,
Just a little bit over a bit.
you are right now on 120k.
Yes.
Okay.
But I'm trading
Congratulations.
science few years. This year it will be 4 years. Yes.
Oh my God. So that's a good thing, you know.
Yeah.
You have good experience. Me, I'm just a newbie on this one.
But you're good at what you're doing, bro. Saw your recent analysis and wow, respect. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I don't often trade gold that often. I'm looking at major pairs and sometimes even stocks or indices. But at the gold market, maybe I trade it 5
Do
times
you-
a month.
Do you have a quacking terminal? Should I give you a login? I have two.
What have you? What?
I have Forex Source terminal, two of them. You want one?
What is that, bro?
Forex Source terminal, you know, where they give the market sentiments and the. what is-
Okay. Yeah, that would
You
be
want?
nice. Sure. Why not?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take mine. I'll send you the login.
Yeah, thank you. Euro USD. It's mostly likely to happen. A reversal, but I would love to get another retest of the zone. So maybe they are dropping until Tuesday. Induction to the downside, coming up again. Maybe something like this. Grabbing those orders. And then say goodbye.
Okay, so we will wait for that to happen.
I think
go
it would
to
be
whatever.
better, yes. Yes.
So we wait.
I would
We
say
wait
that's
until when? Wednesday or Friday?
Wednesday, either Tuesday, Wednesday,
Just
or
warn
Thursday.
me when it happens. You know.
And you can also select a price alert on TradingView if it reach certain point. A certain point, sorry. So here, easy peasy. But I would wait at the
Yeah, I
moment.
will also.
I think this is just a fake induction to the downside, and the real move is then happening next week.
On Wednesday there is a news as well, by the way.
On Wednesday. Oh, that would be perfect. This
Go
would be
to
perfect.
the Wednesday.
Wednesday.
There is a news. There is a US
GBP
CPI news.
and USD, yes. or
CPI news.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi.
See.
First day is my birthday.
Thursday?
Yes.
12th March. Oh my God.
Yes. I'm getting
When I-
23.
23.
Yes. 23. Oh,
Wow.
well.
Good.
All right, look, let's move on the next pair. I'll make a screenshot of this and I will send it to you here.
Yeah. Good. Euro USD.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, let's take a look at GU.
DB.
Oh, that looks perfect.
Sell,
It
right?
Looks,
Sell,
yes,
sell, sell,
yes,
sell, sell,
sell.
sell.
Fucking sell that shit.
My again, my indicator is saying sell.
Yes.
So we are here to sell. How much?
Wait a
Stop
moment.
loss.
Come on, this is perfect. This is literally perfect, bitches.
Oh yeah, a bit up, right?
Look at this. I drew this odd and it actually happens. You know?
Huh? Really?
Yes.
Oh my
That's
God.
crazy, man.
So there is a replicant on the right side as well. The
Yes.
W. Oh.
Yes.
And you know, the best part is to buy from the bounce bottom.
From these zones, yes. From these
Yeah.
consolidation zones.
Yeah.
Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, mid-week reversal. Right now, happening here. But I would say in these zones, always buy. So, because they have always the stop losses from the sellers from the last week. So, if they could get an entry here, where would they put their stop losses? Right above in this area here, right?
Yeah.
So that means we have a stop hunt to the zone, making this nice little fake breakout right here, and then reversing the fucking trend. So
you're using the 15 minutes chart.
Please.
You are using the 15 minutes chart.
Yes, always.
Why it is that? How it helps?
You see the traps pretty clear.
Okay, so
you also could use the 1 hour, 4 hour daily chart, but most of the time I'm using definitely the 15-minute charts to have a good look and to see what's happening, that session opening and stuff like this. Yes, in my eyes, it's a clear sell.
I'll send you mine.
And these take profit zones are most likely always the stop loss zones from the retail traders. So I'm always looking for these liquidity zones.
Yeah, okay. I sent you my logins.
All right, thank you, bro.
Yeah, because you know it really helps. As soon as the information comes, the market triggers there on the SQUAC.
Okay, great, great. Forex terminal.
Oh my God! Yeah.
Oh my God! This is
beauty, right?
Beautiful.
This is a beauty.
This is beautiful.
Thank you, your USD, for creating this buy fake breakout. So for this entry, we need to wait for the London or the New York session.
Yes, you could also get in here, but I think it would be better to wait until
the New York session, maybe.
London session. London session, yes.
London session.
London session, I think.
Okay. And then it will be just a move down. USD will pull it down.
I think so, yes.
Yeah, they want to revenge this channel up, you know. Egos.
You.
Yeah.
I think I will share this one in the group.
Yeah, sure. I don't mind, you know. You can mention the same thing. Forex is a risky. You can lose more than that you invested.
I'm not a financial advisor. Stuff like this.
No. Everyone here is here is just for advice. No one is here. You know, I helped this guy Ajay. You know, in the group,
Yeah.
he lost around $700,
Yeah.
and he was keeping a position open of minus 1500. So I said, "What the hell, man? Let me fix your position." So first of all, I fixed his loss with the gold position in the same 3 hours that we were in the event. And I said, don't put your hands on the PC. I know what I'm doing. And it hit our take profit. We closed his position 0-0. That's it. No more loss, please. I said, trade demo.
Yeah. But I think if you trade demo, you never really have these emotions, you know, when you're live trading. So
Oh my God, don't.
maybe just using a small account, I don't know, 50 euro or US dollar, and try to trade with them and to live, or yes, to live more than a month, you know, or to survive more than a month. So you can learn how you react at certain market situations, and yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Next one. CAD JPY.
CAD screwed itself, you know. Yeah, it's a bounce. What do you think? Or it's a sell? Mixed emotions, fundamental. Yeah, it's a bounce, I believe. So what do you think?
I think. The overall.
Check the overbought or oversold, maybe. Yeah, it's too much down. Too much.
Yes.
Bounce, baby, bounce.
Bounce, baby.
If you buy on the by the way, you are coming to Dubai or not?
Yes, this year definitely, but I don't know right now when, because I have so much stuff to do, and family is ongoing with my stress. I don't know. I just want my space, you know, because most of the time people are fucked up, and then they always come, hey, what's up, and you just like, give me just a one day where I'm free. Oh, look at this, we have here. No, I think that's a buy. I think it's a buy. Yes.
And it's a buy on the bounce after consolidation.
Yes.
So I'm getting better on this now. No, man, I'm nothing against your pro trading tricks.
It's all right, bro. I'm happy to see you. So maybe something like this. Yeah.
So we should go long on this one, you know.
Yes.
How many pips? I believe so. It's
let me take a closer look on the ADR. If you don't know your proper targets, you can always look at investing.com, and then you can use the volatility calculator for any pair, so you know the average daily ADR. Yes.
This German language I don't understand, you know, even though I was working with Germans for 8 years.
Yes. I hate German too. It's a really fucked up language.
Why?
Because
I really like the Coach Morgan. Yeah?
If you try to learn Deutsch or German, you will find yourself at the bottom and thinking, what the fuck am I doing right now? Because it's really exhausting, even for the German ones, to speak this and speak and write is completely right.
Yeah.
But yeah. 71 pips. That's pretty much where I made this zone. Oh. Nice.
1 is to how much? 2?
I think the first take profit would be here. At the high of the day. Yes. Yes, right about here. Next.
Yeah. You know, my AC is on because I was feeling warm.
Yo.
Shut it up. Yeah. It's getting warm here in Dubai.
I think a stop loss of 20 pips not. Because there could be one more induction, but then it could completely reverse. So you know, just to trigger those take the sellers here. Inducing, fake breakout, and then progressing.
I want to make good gains on this one. It will be a long buy, I believe so.
Yes, me too. Me too.
Yeah, oh my God. So you have a stop loss of 20 pips or what?
30
pips.
Yes.
So let me see what kind of position I'm going to enter.
We could also wait for this induction, this stop hunt, this last induction to the downside, and getting in right after the stop hunt.
Okay, we wait then. So it will be clear, I think, during the US session tomorrow. Okay.
Eins, zwei, drei, and then.
And I'm happy our Zoom started working now, you know.
The first time.
The first time maybe the internet speed was not, there was some
that
problem.
That could be possible, yes.
Because previously the same laptop and the same, how could the screen work? I just switched from the screen to the laptop now.
Yeah.
But how
works.
come? Yeah.
But it works. All right. Our session is about to end in 2 minutes, I think. Yeah. I will Snapchat this.
And USD JPY.
Wait a moment.
And I have noticed one more thing. In the Forex group, all the scammers are gone. Most of them.
Nice.
Somehow we I actually wiped a few of them out of there, you know.
Don't fuck with us, bro.
Yes, of course. Why? Who would like that?
Do you remember our USD JPY trade?
Yeah.
Look at what happens to this one. Take profit hit, take profit hit. Entry was right about here, I think.
Yeah.
And 10 pip stop loss or 20 pip stop loss was this one. And boom.
And if we continued,
yes,
it would go towards the bottom. And right now it's at the bottom.
Yes, I would wait on this one a little bit longer, at least until a London session. Because I'm not sure. It could be I don't know. The problem is this one. This could just be
lower highs. Yeah, lower highs.
Just a little fake induction, and might could go lower. But on Friday, I thought it would be a buy. Um, so yes, let's wait.
Oh my God, all of your charts hit.
Yes, as the first one was a
Imagine,
sell, the second one was a buy, and then I caught the next move right about here for another
okay.
sell. Yes,
So this, if you put higher lot size, you will kill and murder the broker.
definitely.
Yeah.
Come on, that's crazy. But let's wait on this one, I would say. Definitely. Is there another one? Euro JPY, I think. Was this on your list? Euro JPY?
Yeah. So for the USD JPY, we will wait another
Yes.
induction towards the downside.
Euro JPY, I don't see a clear setup right now here. There could be happening everything right now.
It's a mixed emotion.
Yes.
It's ranging.
I would say we wait until this zone here is reached, and then we could look for a buy.
I believe so. When it will be US on Wednesday.
Yes, me
This
too.
will happen. They have patterns now. I'm trying to understand all the patterns of the market makers.
Just try to think like a market maker,
Yeah. How they want to trap.
Yes, definitely. All right. Yeah, just let's wait on Euro JPY because I'm not sure this could go both ways.
And CAD CHF. Have you checked?
Okay, wait.
And everyone is on long on CAD CHF somehow. Check. I think, yeah, it still will go down a bit.
Yes, at least until this zone here.
So should I? No, I don't think so. I should enter now.
No.
It's a ranging zone and anything can happen from here.
This could be a peak, but no, I don't think at all.
We will just wait for the buy on the bottom. So may I ask you, from where did you start? From which, how much deposit did you start?
I started with, I think, 3,000 euros.
Oh, just
Yes.
like mine, $3,000.
But before this, I also blow a few accounts. I think
How many?
3 or 4 accounts at least.
I believe 2.
but just little accounts, So that wasn't a problem at all. So and then I took this very serious, and yeah, it was.
What
growing.
did you like? What was your? It was position sizing that took you off, or the zones you were buying or selling?
Right now, or where I started?
Back then, when
Back
you
then?
started, then, yeah.
I really started with 0.10, and then I was growing. So right now I'm about 5 lots, but just when the trade is really safe, Yes, okay.
5 lots. Yeah, 5 lots is enough. Oh my God, this. My girlfriend texts. Whatever. I told her I'm focusing on something. I don't believe in that. Why you cannot believe? You are not here to see. That's busted. For daily, what is this called? Market range. Which EMA you are using mostly?
I'm using most of the time 48 and 69, and also the 480, just to see Wait a moment. Let's see if I can.
And
You're
you do it on
remembering when I said at the beginning of this session, I would like to see this accumulation zone here, right above this crossover. So you could also get an entry with 10 pip stop loss and go for the fullest, you know. And
it's
your
the same
profit
like
target.
gold. Look
Yeah.
at the W. Look at the W.
Yes.
Oh my God, what is happening today? So this is a sign. I should quit my position.
Yes. I'm your angel.
Thank you.
Oh, no
Oh,
problem. No problem, bro. This one. Crossover. Retest. Maybe 20 pip stop loss. And you're going for about, let's say we took this high, 75 pips.
Oh,
And so on. But I'm not sure here right now, so just keep calm, wait for
It's
the
very-
induction.
it has hit the bottom. It will again, I think it will do it for 2-3 days. And then, like
might-
Wednesday,
Consolidation?
yeah, consolidation will be there. For all the sellers
Yeah.
that they don't know that the volume will be taken off.
Mm. They could play around at this zone.
Do you
making
think
this?
do you think there is an indicator that tells that certain number of volume has been accumulated there? The
Mm.
buyer side.
The problem is indicators are always lacking, you know. So I don't use, at the beginning I was also all the time using indicators, I think 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, 1 on the chart. But now I really like to just use this naked chart and show and you know, take trade just because I know what I see and don't trust any indicators. Because they always lag, but the EMAs are very powerful, found out.
EMAs are powerful. I'm using 21 day and 50 days EMA.
Yeah. So you literally get also the sniper entries. On which time frame are you using them?
I'm mostly using on H1 or H4.
Okay.
And sometimes I check for 15 minutes as well.
Mhm.
But mostly I will check 15 minutes. Mostly I'm not using small like short entries.
Yeah.
I'm always looking for a bigger entry.
Picture.
You know?
Okay.
As soon as it crosses on H4 to the downside for on the 50 days EMA, it's a sell.
Yeah.
For sure. Right now it's above 50 days EMA and 21 days EMA both on H4 and D1.
CAT CHF.
Yeah.
Okay.
CAT CHF. So
That's-
CAT CHF.
That's one. Take a look on USD CAT.
Oh my God! Another W.
Traps.
Traps. Fuck the traps. You know.
Yes.
Now. There are 5, 6 Ws here. Really.
And maybe they could make this move.
USD CHF buy. Yeah, I feel so. Then again down.
Yes, something like this.
Yeah. See, market makers are amazing people. You know, they are always looking at the
Smart
P-level.
as fuck.
And
Smart as fuck.
No, but we understand now the sharks, right? They always want to enter at the top and for the sell and buy at the bottom.
Yeah.
That's where they enter.
and I mean 4.3 trillion US dollar per day. Fuck.
Six.
6?
Yeah,
Really?
$6 trillion a day.
I thought 4.2, but it was 2 years ago. I think.
Yes, it's six now.
Shit, it's awesome. All right. Do you want me to look another pair or?
Check the Nasdaq now.
That's a nice trade right about here. Fuck.
Euro
G-
CHF, right?
GBP. Euro GBP. Yeah.
And Euro
Oh,
CHF.
fuck.
Euro GBP. Sell, right? It already started.
Yes.
Or no?
My entry, I had a sell order on Friday, right about here, but I was
It
on my
did not.
way back, and yeah, here was my entry, right about here, at this zone. So, but I closed it then because I was on my way to the gym, and yeah, you know, I thought maybe it could go
my
higher
God.
one more time, and boom.
No.
But well, all right, Nasdaq.
Yeah. Nasdaq is the real shark. It's the whale, not the shark.
This one.
Yeah.
I saw this pattern right above here, what's happening on GBP USD a while ago, where they didn't got any lower and just started to buy again here. And I think that's a buy.
You think it's a buy?
I think it's a buy, yes.
And the zone 8400, okay, just around there, 8400 is a buy zone, right? So it will quickly go up and come down again at the market closure. I think it will just range. What do you suggest? Should I enter a buy at which level? I think it will come down a bit to go in a buy, or just now is a buy.
So,
So, yeah, so we have to wait for the 8100. 8167 is its baseline from where they trigger their buys. 8167, I think so. I will not enter. I feel so.
this looks pretty good.
Where should I put my buy?
I would wait, but in my eyes, we could see a nice reversal on this pair the upcoming days.
So we'll do the sell on Wednesday.
I would buy the upcoming week, but first I would wait to see the price at this area and maybe consolidation or take breakout, just a wick or a stop hunt. So that would be a better entry, but you could also go now in with a stop loss. I think here, but that's not safe at all.
No, it's not safe. Check the daily range. Check the daily range. How is it? Anything is possible.
Yes.
Bernie Sanders is winning. it's accumulating the buys or whatever. And the most important thing that I noticed is the bigger hedge funds are always closing their positions in the evening
Yes.
before the market closes. That's what I felt. I don't know what is your opinion. And this is a tricky situation.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
We-
Okay.
this is-
Well, bro, I would say then let's just wait until it gets to 8,100.
okay.
This zone.
Then buy.
Yes, and buy. But let's see how the plays are working out, and then we can get a pretty nice entry, maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yeah, we can have another session when you want, because I need to learn as well.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
I know it's something mentoring you are doing without any fees, but I understand.
Well, so, all right.
BTC, oh my God, but BTC is a very higher, it's not for me.
I don't
Not for-
trade crypto very often.
I hate crypto. Look at it's okay. It has the same pattern. I think
Yes.
it's a buy. It's a buy. It's giving a triangle wedge pattern at the bottom. It is already 8,296. Oh my God. See?
So
Consolidation.
that could be
Buy towards the upside. What do you say?
yes.
But have a look. I think more down. 6,000, 7,000 something. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Here. That is the buyer zone.
Yeah, just a confirmation, just a fake breakout.
Yeah.
Right about here.
And then it will again go down, I think.
Yeah.
So wait for the 7,000 mark, 6,500.
Yes. Yes.
I am learning a thing or two from you, every day.
Oh God.
How long you were trading, or you just sat on your desk now?
Wait a minute. What do you mean? Please.
You were trading for the whole day, or you just sat now?
I'm trading for the whole day, bro.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm still hustling.
And-
I have a few
and-
books here. I'm reading about
Which one?
market structure.
You can share with me as well if you want to.
Yeah, sure, bro.
I'm since I quit my other work, I'm just going to focus on this one, and
Right.
I'm going to make my own company now as well.
Okay.
From the what is this called? Do what you love.
Yes.
Don't
Living
do
your
what.
dream.
Yeah. I like this thing, I
Yeah.
like analysis, observation. You know, even in my market, I killed TUI with the FDI.
Okay.
Yeah, but now they are struggling since I am out of their sack. Let the kangaroo run wherever
Well,
it wants.
fuck those ones.
Yes.
Fuck off. Do your own thing, bro.
Yeah.
This is literally the best thing you can do. Just show up every day and making the best version of yourself.
Of yourself.
Yes. And be like fucking water.
Be like fucking water.
Yes, always.
Transform in any situation.
Definitely.
Okay, so 40 pip stop loss on Forex, and because last time I hit my stop loss on GBP, JPY. Buy.
Yes. Mine too, but no, I think I closed in profit. Yes, with 50 pips.
But mine stop loss was hit because the sentiment changed and everyone moved to safe havens, JPY and CHF. That's why I got stopped out.
Oh well, this week there will be a new chance. Let me just take a look.
GBP, JPY, yes. Another bottom. No, not at the moment. I think it will see on Friday it started to go up, then again a sell. I think it will go to 135. What do you say? Have a look, make your drawings. You are perfect on that. Have a look. What happened the last time?
Hmm.
You should be hedge fund manager somewhere. No, if you ask me, I would not like to do that because
It's very stressful.
I want to be a free bird.
Yeah.
No more. I already did that for someone for 8 years. That's it.
Yeah.
Them, all of them, whatever. Right. Oh.
I think we could buy this week,
Now, no.
but
Yeah.
not now.
Okay.
Not now.
Okay. But at 137, 136 point something.
At least if the low of the day was created, I think maybe here in this zone.
136.5. Buy limit. Have a look. Or it has already broken out of the channel.
Yes.
Hmm?
Just as an introduction.
I think so. It's a fake.
Fake breakout, yeah.
It will come back and consolidate.
Second trend line.
It will come down to 136, I believe. It will come down. No.
Yes. Practically to the trend line, I think. And then we could start to buy. Oh, fuck, sorry. I messed this up right now. So I would love to see it here. And then buy.
Yeah, 136. Yeah, 800.
Yes.
Yeah, it will break the trend line, then go up. That's the design of their assholes, seriously. Market makers.
Market bitches.
Let me give my view on this one, on the DXY.
You can scroll your sheen as well, bro. Wait a moment.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck. How do I do that again?
Take a screen.
Here.
Screenshot. My girlfriend affirming, I love you too.
Oh,
at this time, nice. Oh man, the problem here is no affirmation. Sometimes, you always have to tell women. This is not my.
I'm single since about 6 months or 8 months now.
I had been through a roller coaster for 6 or 7 times, so.
Yeah, me too.
you take my, people who have some rules in life, set rules in life. They are very hard to get along with,
Definitely.
That's what.
But I think the right ones will always blow up in your life. It doesn't matter if it's our friends or the loved ones,
I will tell you other day on last weekend, some girl told me that I am cold. What does cold means, man?
And you just like, bitch, I'm trading gold.
I'm trading. Yeah, it's kind of a song statement,
Yeah.
I'm cold, but I trade gold.
Oh, nice. So, I'm done with analyzing for today and just wait until markets are opening later.
I will also take some rest. You please check the terminal if it works, the login.
Okay, sure. Wait a moment.
Have a look.
So I have to go on the internet side.
Yeah, forexsource.co.
Okay. Whoops. Fuck, sorry.
I just subscribed them to because I should not. I did not have the time to see the Reuters and the Bloomsburg.
Yeah.
So I said, why not buy that
Forex
source?
channel.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. I've given you my details.
Yes, I'm doing it now.
Kashif Hyderali at hotmail.com. And the password starts with the system S capital @09. I'm sure you will have fun.
Let's see, bro. Assistant.
09 @09.
All
System
right.
S capital. Okay.
So,
It works
Kashif. Ida Ali at hotmail.
at Hotmail. System @09. Did it signed in?
No, not yet.
Give me a second. I'll go to mine. I'll sign out from here if it's mine is signed in. Okay, I will close. I have closed mine.
Mhm.
Now check. Did you? And yeah, now check.
Big S.
S
S T
S T
M
@09.
at 09.
Enter. I cannot see which email address you're putting, but my email address.
Kashif Ida Ali at hotmail.com.
Yeah, this is the one. But why is not signing in then for you? Should I need to sign out from mine? Is it like
Warte
that?
mal. I forgot an H. I think.
Wow.
Kashif. Yes.
Oh
Hyder
my
Ali.
God. Yes,
Yes, now it's working. All right.
Safe. So
Nice.
there this is the audio test and squawking service. So they will commentate the market. As soon as the information appears here,
Mhm.
critical banks, all you must go to the on, and then the started market insight and video commentary everywhere, everything.
Oh, nice, bro. Interesting.
Yeah, here you go. Very interesting. We should make use of this.
Definitely, bro, I will.
So yes, go through the video tutorials and
Mhm.
my girl started texting bullshit. Why you are up?
Mainstream bullshit. that's like baby pips. That's also just mass BS, you know. Just I mean, if you want to get serious about trading, why you are using or trusting these free resources, you know? That's like Wikipedia, where false informations are being shared to just let these people think
No, I
they could actually
paid
make
for
money,
this.
you know?
This is a paid account, $70 per month.
Oh, okay. Wow. Shit.
I paid the whole year subscription.
At least you are learning the fundamentals.
Yes, I am learning you can say it's a learning curve for me. I'll
Yeah.
close maybe after a month or so or something. I will get my refund. Please,
Okay.
I did not like your services. But
Go
really,
away, bitches.
but they are giving the baseline here that what is coming for, what is the sentiment that is going to change the market.
Yeah, but if you want to go really deep in the markets and you want to understand the really move, why is something happening, then you have to think outside the box, you know, because most retail traders are still have this common mindset of the beginnings of the beginners, you know. So and that's the reason why 90% of these traders fail in the markets or losing their money after 3 months, you know. So I don't promote anything. Yes, you know, when I want, I have to do it. But I think what I'm teaching is pretty nice and you can actually make money with this.
Yes, you are doing. If you ask me, You are someone who has already mastered the art of reading the pulse. You know, this is the pulse naked chart.
Yeah. Then, thank you. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah. One day you will be a very big man, and then maybe you will not receive the calls even.
Then there's everyday live sessions with Gray.
Yeah,
Every
yeah,
day. Yes.
we can have sessions if you are free. I don't mind.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Why
Now
not?
that Zoom started working
Yeah,
somehow.
I love it. I really love it.
It's only you and me on the this one.
Yes,
Who are the serious bugs?
just one. Just we.
Some,
I would say, what a really nice idea.
Hmm.
If we say, okay, if we make these webinars together, we could also make this for, premium
living.
members.
Yeah.
So
You want to do it? You want to do the group for premium members, something like subscription?
yes,
Okay.
definitely.
You can,
Where we both share our analysis, where we both have, webinars or live trading sessions where we analyze the markets together or are
and
discussing some
the YouTube.
questions.
You want to do the YouTube channel as well? I have an
Um,
idea, by
we
the way.
could make this, yeah.
If you
We
are
could
serious
make this.
about it, because I am.
Yeah, me too, bro. Me too.
But being the serious, I have already named my company Kashif Financial Services or something in Dubai. So yeah, I'm so serious that I kicked myself out of the, what is this
Yeah.
called? What is this called? Comfort zone.
Yes. I'm sure we'll find a way to make this work out.
Yeah, we can do it when you want. We will make a Telegram channel. But maybe right now you will be giving the analysis.
Yes.
Because I'm not so good in that. I'm only focusing on gold. Gold is my.
But we have to make this promotion together for us. So
Yes.
social media and stuff like this,
Yeah, we can do. I know. I did a promotion for my brother previously. He made his construction company.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, it did not work out well for him because he did not gain the market. In 2 years, he did a good business.
Yes.
Like he could not get the buyers. A bit of buyers, but not much.
Mm-hmm.
So, but he will do it again. But he has registered his, and I am his co-chairman as well in Pakistan. So I'm already a CEO.
Shit.
Yeah, we can. I can. You can think. You can say we have office in Germany and Dubai as well.
Yes, like
Yeah,
the masters.
and we can have affiliate services.
Something like a downline system.
Yeah,
so let's say if we have a premium member or a mastermind channel member, and he promotes 3 other people, he becomes this monthly subscription fee is free. Yes, for him. And when his downline are catching new 3 people, then it will be free for him too.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, and
makes sense.
maybe I think the first payment would be $100, and then they get for $50 or $60 a month our content, and live webinars, analysis, and stuff like this.
Yeah, the main thing is the people want the live trading sessions.
Yes.
They want us to see. Actually, if you would be having 120,000 in your live account and you'll be putting your positions, they would be asking questions and this and that. So if it is two-way mutual webinar, it would be very much fun.
We don't need to show our trading accounts because most of the time we are doing this analysis via trading
just
view,
like Forex Source. Just like Forex Source. Just go through this when you have time. This website.
I will definitely.
It will help.
I will. All right. So we have to make a plan together.
Yeah, I'm in for that for you. Don't worry. From day one, I'm in. Consider count me in. As you know, I'm pretty serious. I've already made my mind.
Yeah.
And when I made my mind, even previously when I joined my other business,
Hmm.
I knew nothing about it. But then I managed to learn all of that in like 6 months. For 6 months. So I'm good
Respect.
at learning. Yeah.
Respect, bro.
So
I think we could make this true.
yeah.
Pretty
So
true.
what are you looking at? Make your plan and we can implement that.
Yeah, definitely. But we need a name together. I mean,
Hmm.
you already have a name, but I think it would be better if you have something that includes us, you know.
Together on the website. You already have the website or you want to make one new.
We make a new one, I would say.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Make new
can I
one.
can make this working and stuff like this. I can also
Yeah.
make the logo for us.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
I already have experience by this.
Hmm.
Also, you can check up. I don't know. Are you on Instagram for sure? Oh wait, I will
I am
show
on
it.
Instagram.
I will show it here if I'm in my business account on my laptop. I don't know.
So you wanted to will you do just the signal services or the financial services as well?
Mm, what would you say?
I think we can manage a few hedge funds like bigger accounts as well if there is like above 100,000. Okay, not less than that because that would be waste of time.
Definitely, bro.
And yeah, I have people who would like to do that,
Yeah.
but they want me to be confident first, and I will not take unless I am confident
Mhm.
because it's my name on stake in
Yeah,
that.
sure. Why not? All right, look at this.
Okay.
I think we can make this like this, and
Yeah. I believe you. This your trades are perfect. The first one was $33. That was the I removed my money from the small account because I blew
yeah.
$100 of
Well, look at
$20.
trades like this. Perfect entry. Boom.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, the best part is it's a lot. It's a bigger lot.
Yeah. You make a bunch of money.
Yeah. Not with the I have currently in my account in my 3 different accounts 7.5.
Yeah. Nice.
So it's not. If I did not blew, I would have 45 something.
Yeah.
Bullshit to my false trading. So.
But you
Yeah,
will make it, bro. So relax. And always say, I'm in control of my life. I am powerful beyond my imagination. I am limitless in my potential.
Affirmation.
Yes, fucking confirmation.
Do you know I have I have printed that I will make 5 million. No, 50 million something.
Set an intention, visualize it, feel it, and it will come true. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, we can do. There are people who are doing the channels and everything, but mostly here, people want to manage their accounts, have their account managed. How
Yes.
about copy trading? Something like that.
I think there are plenty platforms out there where you can make this stuff, right? Copy trading. I know a pretty good one.
And I
eToro.
found actually, yeah.
Yeah.
No, but eToro is fuck.
Yeah.
I don't like eToro. I don't like eToro. If you are on eToro, you will be making millions because your trading style is good. Risk reward ratio is good.
Always.
Yeah. So profit factor is good.
All right, bro. Then let's say let's do the work to make this work out and to make a fucking bunch of money together.
When do you want to do it? Start it.
Now.
Yeah, you can. You
No,
can
why
start
not?
now.
Why not?
I don't mind. If you
Why
want,
not?
I will support you with the time. And for sure, I'm not better than you. I'm just 0.1% in trading.
No
right now.
problem, bro. Okay, then let's think about a name.
Yeah.
What should be the name?
You want to take the
MK
initials?
Capital.
Yeah. MK.
MK
MK
Capital.
Yeah, MK Capital, something like that.
Yeah.
Or MK Financial Services.
That sounds pretty nice.
MK Capital and Financial Services, something like that. Whatever.
Moment, I have to write down.
Think about it. You know, my target is at least to make $3,000 from the
Little account.
no from the on a monthly basis.
Okay. Yeah.
Then I'll be relaxed because I was earning around 4K or 5K.
Yeah.
I just want to sustain. That's it for the first few months, whatever.
I think that's possible, bro.
That's possible.
That's
fine.
possible. Yeah. That's possible. Okay. MK Capital Financial Services.
Capital and financial services.
What else?
Think. Or we can hire someone on Fiverr to make their name.
They are pretty good graphic designers out there. I saw research.
Yeah.
But I like to do this shit on my own.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah. You know. Now I think that I was in the wrong industry. Somehow.
Yeah.
I was helping people make millions, making the bosses proud.
But you didn't make the
I made nothing.
Shit.
Yeah, I made nothing. You know.
Shit, bro.
I have all my. If you check on Google FTI.
Yeah.
To this FTI, just check FTI group. You will know who they are. The CEO is a good person, but if you cannot keep your, if you cannot, there is a quote: if you will not build your dream, someone else will hire you to build theirs.
Definitely, bro. What was your second name? Your last name?
Ali.
Ali?
Yeah, Kashif Ali.
Wir könnten auch LA Capital nehmen. Lübke Ali.
ALI.
LA Capital. Oder
Yeah,
LA
ALI.
Financial Services. That sounds pretty good.
LA.
LA, yes.
Okay.
LA Capital.
Check if the same name someone else has.
Yes.
Because this one someone will sure have.
Oh, fuck this task. Man.
What is the chart doing with you today?
Shit. All right.
Then you will register a company there in Germany?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. At a capital de Rosario. What's this?
Do you need to include me as well in there, in the documents or something?
It would be nice, yes.
Yeah, you want to, what you need from my side then?
Your name, your address, your tax ID I need.
I don't have any, there is no tax ID because I was not working it.
Okay, all right. Then I don't need it. But for sure, your full name, your address.
My passport.
Yes, your passport would be pretty good.
And in that way, I can visit Germany as well.
Yes.
No, but my main focus is not, if I wanted to, I would have, but I did not, my best friend from Munich, his name is Marco Schellinger.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, he's like a brother to me as well. So his father passed away last year. Not a good.
I think we have luck because LA Capital or LA Financial Service actually available.
See, this is already there, you know. Okay.
Mm. But there's not really LA Capital, you know.
So
And this is just a news website,
Hmm.
just a daily news, you know.
Okay, so yeah, we can make
From
it.
Creek or something like this, I think. Yeah, Creek.
Yeah, we can do then.
All right, great. So
You want my passport, right?
yes, your
Right, I'll
passport
send you now. Give me a second.
front and back side, bro.
Front and back. Ho 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 ho.
Oh, oh, oh.
Thank God I met you. But
Yes.
I met a lot of scammers before that.
Oh, not you, bro. Only me too, bro.
Yeah. But really, you know, the other day I saved a lady in UK. The guy scammed him 7,200 pounds.
Yeah.
Really?
Wait a
How
moment,
come?
bro. Wait a moment. 2 minutes. All right, I'm back.
Okay, I sent you my passport.
Yes,
I'm
thanks.
just writing you my address.
All right, I see, bro. Great, thank you.
Yeah. But where is Susan? I could not see her. I don't understand where she is. She left our group as well. And she's active in all the robot groups and everything. I don't know. The lady is going to screw her money.
Which lady?
Susan.
Susan.
Yes.
She's from Germany or Austria, I think.
Swiss. I think she's Swiss.
Swiss. Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. But she's making good money.
I don't think so. We will speak to her, but when.
So we should her invite to a free lesson or something like this.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a trigger for those people to take money in their hands and give it to us. So they are becoming mastermind members, or however we want to call this group.
People would love to give accounts, but they need a surety that we will see. This is my asshole indicator giving me. Look at the screenshot.
You're right.
Oh, I have to visit.
This one here.
How is it? It's really fucking. It's showing the market maker's idea of selling from the top.
Crazy.
And I always look at the daily. Okay.
Yeah.
How the daily does. Let me have a look in another one. If you go to H4, it will show. I will give you a screenshot. You would love it. How exactly it gives. So it made me in a doubt today. You know.
Hmm.
That I should not have entered a buy. Look here. I sent you. Have a look.
Damn.
Fuck, seriously.
Damn.
Ho-
That's
Look at all the
awesome.
three. Look at all the three. You want this?
High of the week, W formation, peak low, reversing, triggering those orders here above the zone. I think this would be an M formation or something like this, and boom. Yes, nice.
So I think it is suggesting to sell.
Yes,
And it is going to sell until 1586. That's what I think.
probably
Yeah, because they want volume, right? And
Crazy.
they don't play small.
crazy.
Fuck them, but whatever.
Fuck
We
them.
understand.
Yes, fuck
We
them,
know,
bro.
we
Fuck
know their plan. Their plan is out.
them. We are already in their minds.
So this is you will take care about these legal matters.
Yeah.
Whatever taxes cuts, whatever you do, and you can share whatever is there. Even it's nothing, I don't mind, but it will just a start.
All right, bro. No problem.
Do you need Trading Central login?
Would be great. Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, I will copy. See if it signs in
Mhm.
yours. Okay.
All
I
right.
have just the link. I don't know where I put the check.
Great.
Open, maybe see what happens with it.
Mhm. I think I need to log in details. Yes.
Oh, yeah,
As
great,
well.
great. Okay, so you want my login? I can give you my trading account login, HYCM, and there is this. Since we are partners, I have to trust you 100%.
Yes, bro.
So I will give you my this is my login on HYCM.
Okay, wait.
I think it is this. If it is not this, ask me.
Mail.
Not this. Not this. Not this. Go to the HYCM login, and in that it will be an access to there. They did not give any direct this one. Just open HYCM.
What is it, bro?
HYCM, the broker login. HYCM login.
Can you send me a link?
Give me a second, because I'm using its terminal. Give me a second. Oof, this I only signed up to get this terminal. That's it. There is no other reason. These guys, they would hate me,
Yeah.
For the
If they
other
see
day, the guy,
what are you doing?
whatever, fuck, it's my login.
Yes.
They cannot ask me anything about this.
All right, thank you. Never heard of them before.
No, they are very famous.
Looks pretty good.
My password is system@06. Sorry, this one.
Wait.
This one.
Kashi.
And
Hi there, Ali.
and system@06. Yeah. System@06.
06. Lol, they are talking German here right about. That's crazy.
Yeah, just go to the tools and market not trading Trading Central. Just on the fourth one. Yeah, this is the one. Motherfucker, seriously.
All right.
I just signed this up for this and nothing. So here, so let's say go to anything. The pivot is perfect. They gave the best pivot, Just say S&P 500.
Now I would like to see what I say about it.
Yeah. Look.
This is like Nasdaq, a little bit of it.
Yeah. Same Nasdaq kind of thing.
Yeah.
But this one did not sell. It's just a push up.
Mhm. The problem with those analyzers from the brokers is often that they use this.
They are manipulators.
Yes, to manipulate their clients on a daily
And
basis.
they bet against you.
Yes. Why should they help you? I mean, there's no. I don't get it.
You know, the first time I brought my account to 25,000, my broker started calling me.
Yeah.
I don't know the reason why. And then they closed my
maybe
account.
he was afraid.
Yeah, that I will kill them in 100,000 from 3,000.
Yeah.
That was my plan in the beginning, but I screwed myself up. Did not the broker, but myself. You know, I should have be. I said P500. Have a look. Pivot 2900.
This looks pretty nice for buy, like Nasdaq. But I already did this move.
It's a fake move up. It will come down.
Yeah. Something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always. It will go below the previous low, week's low.
Yeah.
And then
so this will just a fucking stop hunt right here.
Okay.
I think. I could be wrong as well.
So in this trading central, we can see what the broker wants us to see.
Yeah.
And we go against it.
Always. That's like a group of retail traders, you know, when they say, come on, let's buy Euro USD at a high. Or something like this.
Yeah, it's not. They're saying it's breakout, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, it's look at the others.
No, this one is the greatest one.
It's a sell.
Oh, shit.
Do you believe this?
I really love it.
May rise.
Oh my god.
Check others.
Oh my god. Shit. So they want you to buy until 135 or 36.
Okay.
But it's clearly a sell when we are hitting this zone here. Bullshit.
Yeah. What I found out, before even the news is out, the market is already moved towards the expectations of the banks or the news. 50%.
Just to induce sellers or buyers. And then when the news are released after them, it's the after effect where the real move is coming.
You know, this Wednesday, I want to ride the gold move, you know. Enough with the fucking gold. You know, I want to make some good pips, what you can say.
Gold is paying good.
Yeah, it pays good, but I want some, you know, I want to turn the tables on gold now. It's my funny pair, but yeah. Have a look at what they are saying at gold. You will have some fun. I already saw, but you can see as well.
Okay, wait.
ProDaily.com. You know, the mentor I met from the HYCM, 17 years old in trading, he said, man, you will go a long way. I said, why? You are the only one asking questions in the event. He said, AUD USD buy. I said, no, it's a fake breakout. It will sell. He said, how do you know? Look at the AUD USD. And
but I think I sold also AUD USD for a few pips.
Yeah, so I think like you. See, he bought here, go up a bit to 0.66400. He was telling everyone it's a buy. And I said, no, it's a sell. And he did not say anything.
Motherfucker.
Motherfuckers, buy, blow your accounts.
Yeah,
we
why
took-
not?
And he was asking why you are not trading your account. I have 2 accounts with them.
Mhm.
Both I am not trading. See?
Oh shit, bro. Oh shit. Oh.
No, but we should. If I'm only trading on one account that has around 2,700.
Yeah.
I'm not trading any other account. Since as soon as I'm sure about the trades, I will just accumulate all my money. I'm
And
just
then
using
you can go higher. on
Yeah,
the-
I am using ICM.
Yeah.
ICM is better, I think.
IC markets.
Yeah, IC markets.
I also use them.
Yeah.
I also use them.
But if I have a currency research is there, oh, whatever.
Mhm.
I like them, ICM has good service, what you can say.
Definitely, yeah. And with withdrawal only takes 1 day when you
Yeah,
make
yeah,
it on PayPal. That's great.
So when are you going to start with the website and everything?
Maybe today, but I have to go outside with my dog before and maybe eat something because I just eat a little pizza today.
Yeah.
So probably today, but I think tomorrow would be better, so I can get a nap and yeah, just take a look at the markets later. But let's see, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
What is it? It's the time here is 11:47. I have 3 hours to sleep.
Then go sleep,
Or
bro.
I will watch. Yeah. Thank you for your time.
No,
Really.
no problem, bro.
I
I
really
really
appreciate
appreciate
it.
it. Me too, bro. All right, then
Let's
we will
do it.
hear. Yeah, let's fucking do it. Yes, let's fucking do it.
Yes.
All right.
I'm going to open my company tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'm going there.
Okay, great.
Right,
Yeah,
yes,
me too.
So when you come here, you will be coming to the head office.
Yeah.
When I'm
Nice.
coming to the German head office.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's make it happen. And yeah, I would like to devote all my time. I don't mind, other than I'm driving
Great.
or eating outside. That's it.
Great. Okay, then let's do it, bro. Have a nice night.
Yeah.
Sleep well,
You too.
and thank you.
Ciao.
We will hear us tomorrow. Yeah.
You too.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
sure. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.